Good afternoon. This is the 6 p.m. update, and I'm very concerned about a major icing event for interior northwestern New Jersey, northeast Pennsylvania, parts of southern New York, and parts of Connecticut off the coast. I think it's being underplayed right now, and hopefully I'm the first to tell you guys you got to take this seriously if you live out in these areas in terms of ice accumulations that could be over a quarter of an inch from freezing rain, power outages, etc. So I'm very concerned about most of this red area. To the south, this pink area, you're going to see some ice tonight, maybe mixed with some snow. But by the morning, temperatures will be above freezing, so I don't think it's going to be crazy. Maybe just outside the city a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. So the main area of concern is really this red zone. Orange, I think it's more sleet than freezing rain, so you're okay. And up here is a snowstorm. Let's take a look and dive in on exactly what to expect with this storm that is approaching now. Currently, you can see here's the radar. The storm's will be approaching from the west. It's running into a bunch of cold air. That cold air is due to a big surface high sitting right now over Vermont. This is going to slide east, but drill in a lot of low-level cold air. So even though it's going to warm aloft, the cold air is going to hang very tight at the surface. So let's go right into the models. I'm showing you one of the models I think makes the most sense. This is right now looking at 7 p.m. right now. So as by the time we get to late tonight, snow is going to break out with some freezing rain to the south. I actually think a good front-end thump for northern New Jersey. You're going to see it by, say, 11 o'clock tonight. You're going to see this actually be more snow than what is shown. And then this pink is freezing rain. This is the big concern because freezing rain is no joke. It gets on the trees, it piles up, and it can cause a lot of issues. So the freezing rain really kicks in by 1 in the morning. Temperatures then go above freezing for most areas, but what's going to happen here, the higher elevations of Morris County, Sussex County, I really think this freezing rain is going to hold on as we get towards daybreak, which is right here. So by daybreak, everybody's above freezing but the pink areas. And again, this is going to be an all-out ice storm, and I have concerns that this is going to be very major in terms of impacts. Also look at Connecticut, southern New York, really getting hit hard. You could see to the north, this ends up being an all-out snowstorm over Massachusetts. That's why I have the 3 to 6 inches, but an ice storm, like I said. And this shows it well. This is surface temperatures from tonight through tomorrow morning. You can notice as we get towards tomorrow morning, the blue is lifting, but the higher elevations, it's holding on, which is why I have this freezing rain concern. So this is no joke, guys. I would say, be ready, especially if you live in these northwestern areas, for an ice storm tonight with a few inches of snow. So I have 2 to 4 inches for the red zone. Down in the pink zone, not as big of a deal, but it will be wintry tonight. But by tomorrow morning, I think you should be okay. But it's really this red zone is my biggest concern, which is Morris County, Sussex County, parts of Warren County, northeast Pennsylvania, central southern Connecticut. Major ice storm on tap tonight. Next update tomorrow morning.